Last month, ZTE launched the Axon 40 Ultra smartphone in the Chinese market. The brand has now debuted the device in the global market, so let's check out its specifications and features, along with its price and availability. The Axon 40 Ultra is among the rare breed of flagship smartphones to come without a punch hole on the front panel. Instead, it uses an under-display front camera to provide users with an uninterrupted full-screen experience. Its top and bottom edges are flat, while the sides are curved. Coming back to the front, it has a 6.81-inch AMOLED display panel with a Full HD Plus resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels. The screen offers 120Hz refresh rate, 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, 10-bit color, 400 ppi pixel density, 1500 nits brightness, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, the device houses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It gets juice from a 5000 mAh battery, which offers 65-watt fast charging for the global variant. For heat dissipation, it has VC liquid cooling unit, which occupies a 36,356 square millimeters area inside the device. Software-wise, the device runs Android 12 based iOS 12. Other features of the smartphone include dual speakers with DTS Ultra support and an X-axis linear motor. On the connectivity front, it offers dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, dual-frequency GPS, NFC, and a USB-C port. Coming to the optics, the Axon 40 Ultra has a triple camera setup on the rear, consisting of a 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 primary sensor, with OIS and full-pixel omnidirectional autofocus. It features another 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor for the ultra-wide lens, with OIS. Lastly, the device comes with another OIS-enabled 64-megapixel telephoto periscope camera. The rear camera setup is assisted by a flicker sensor, a TOF sensor, and a tri-microphone setup for audio zoom and audio recognition. All 364-megapixel cameras of the Axon 40 Ultra are capable of shooting 8K resolution videos. Coming to the front, the device offers a 16-megapixel under-display camera with 2.2414 large pixels. This is the third generation under-display camera from ZTE, which debuted the under-display camera on the Axon 20. The Axon 40 Ultra is offered in two configurations in the global market. The 8 and 128 GB model is priced at $800. On the other hand, the 12 and 256 GB configuration has a price tag of $900. The device will be available to purchase starting June 21. However, customers can already put down a small deposit of $2 to book their devices. Booking a device will also translate to a discount of $50 when the sale begins. The ZTE Axon 40 Ultra will be sold through the brand's official store in the following countries and regions: in North America, Canada, United States but not including American Samoa, Guam, Hawaii, Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, US Virgin Islands. In Europe, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czechia, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and United Kingdom. In the Middle East, Israel, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. In Asia Pacific, Australia, Hong Kong SAR Indonesia, Japan, Macau SAR Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore South Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam. In Africa, South Africa. Also below you can find videos of the ZTE Axon 40 Ultra in review and comparison with various competitors. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.